Umbalula uthi uma uDlamini Zuma ehluleka ukuveza ubufakazi ngezinsolo azenzile zokuthi wathenga amavoti engqongqotheleni yama-55 ye-ANC nokwaholela ekuthina qoqwe njengonobhala jikelele weqembu, lolu daba uzoludlulisela enkantolo.
I didn't dish money. I'm the Secretary General. I did not arrive here because I gave somebody money. And so it's not for me to explain myself to you because a statement that has got the reputational damage on me has already been made. And I'm not chasing her. I've made a statement in public and it ends there. I'm not in argument with her. And then if she feel so deep and so convinced about it, then let's meet in court. And she must produce evidence that I distributed money.
Ngamalungiselelo okhetho lohulumeni bezindawo luzobanjwa mhla zine kuLwezi. Umbalula uthi zibekwe eqhulwini izinselele ezibhekene nabantu baseNingizimu Afrika njengoba iqembu lilungiselela ukuphothula usomqulu omhlahlandlela walo okhetho. Uthi lo mhlahlandlela wezethembiso uzogxilana sekubuyekezeni indlela okusebenze ngayo omasipala nokuguqulwa komnotho.
Our people's partial settlements are not a joke. The decaying infrastructure is not a joke. We are at the door of solving these issues. Even in Cape Town, we will solve them.
I-ANC ithi umqulu wayo wokugcina wezethembiso zokhetho uzokwethula ngokusemthethweni ngumengameli weqembu uCyril Ramaphosa mhla zingama-23 kwephezulu eSoweto.